Every day on our city streets, thousands of plastic bottles, broken containers, and useless waste are thrown away. They don't just make our cities dirty, they slowly destroy our environment. But the question is this waste really useless? In this video, you will see how plastic waste collected from urban streets is brought into a modern recycling factory in the USA. Here, the waste is sorted, cleaned, and processed using advanced machines. What was once trash is carefully transformed into something new and useful. That dirty plastic bottle you saw on the street is now becoming a brand new product.
Watch the heavy
This is
stuff
not
on the
just
next pallet.
recycling. This is innovation. This is responsibility.
Okay, I'll grab the empty one.
Because when we turn waste into value, we don't just clean our cities. We protect the future of our planet.
This batch looks good, very precise.
Okay, moving them to ceiling now. Keep the line moving.
Look at this quarter's numbers.
Incredible work, everyone. We are really setting a new standard.
The new automated systems have really streamlined our process.
Absolutely, the workflow data is looking excellent this quarter.
From waste to new product.